So, here's something to say. It would help me if you please like and subscribe. So today, we're going to be making a dinosaur out of Play-Doh. So, I'm going to get into it. Let me get something to hold my camera real quick. I got everything set up. So, I just need something to hold my camera. And so, we got something. So, I'm going to get dinosaur. Let's get it where you can see it. I'm ready. So I'm gonna Play-Doh. I got it here. I'm gonna give the big reveal. Maybe when I'm done. You wanna see it? Alright, I'll let you see it. So I'm just gonna scoot the camera back a little bit. Alright, so I got it here. I'm gonna lay it out. There we go. This might be pretty bad. I'm not very good with Play-Doh. Help me hit my goal of 50 so I can do a live stream. If y'all want to support me and help me hit my goal of 50, please like and subscribe so I can do a live stream. Yeah. And my goal is 67. So, yeah. But I have to have 50 to do a live stream. So, help me hit my goal of 50 for my live stream and my 67. So, yeah. That's my goal for the end of the year. It is November 2nd. So, let's hit it by December 31st. Okay. It looks like a man dinosaur, but I'm gonna give it some texture. I mean, I might have to go get some Play-Doh, so I might leave you here. But I might have to go get some extra Play-Doh to finish them off. So this is it so far. I mean, where is it? It's not bad. It's not horrible, but like it's not great. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go get some Play-Doh for the eyes and stuff like that. But like besides that, it's pretty good. I'm not that mad about it, but yeah. So yeah. Sorry about my dad yelling in the background. Watching football, of course. Oh, go check out my first video. It is me doing jokes. After you see this video, hopefully watch it all. Go check out that one if you like this one. Alright, I think I'm about to go get some more Play-Doh for the eyes. So, I'm gonna go get them, okay? Alright, I got some more Play-Doh. I think we're going to use either the purple or the blue. I think we're going to do the blue as the closest color we have to black. So we're going to do the blue for its eye. Alright. I'm going to do kind of pink for the mouth. It's kind of pinkish, yeah. Kind of pinkish, but it'll work. Alrighty. We're done. Thank you for watching. And this is the Play-Doh dinosaur. Ah, there he is. Thank you for watching. If you watched it through, please like and subscribe. Bye.